Explain to you how one could start again, or how hardened hearts could suffer like a child. Don't ask me how to reason out the mysteries of life, or how to face its problems with a smile. Go ask the man who's found the way to tangled ruins that could sustain when all communications were destroyed. Go ask the child who's working now, who once was crippled, then somehow I use your steps when made jobs for you. Go ask the one who's burnt down man has been restored. I think you'll find the questions not important as before. Don't ask me because good or bad, I only know the guilt I had is gone, and I can't tell you anymore. Don't ask me how to prove to you why I know God is there, or how I know that He will care for you. Don't ask me why someone so great would choose to walk with me and trade my broken life for one that's new. Go ask the child who's got a guide to love away the body had. Before this man called Jesus touched Caroline. Go ask the ones whose face of flare was shining higher, was white as hell, when someone missed a piece to other side. Go ask the man to tell you more. His life was just a raging war inside himself until the same from him. Oh, I don't pretend to be so wise. I only know He touched my eyes, and nothing else will ever be the same. Oh, I don't pretend to be so wise. I only know He touched my eyes, and nothing else will ever be the same.